want affordable makeup that gives you a professional result but is also really easy to use, then keep on watching. I'm Amy, I'm a professional TV makeup artist. There is so much noise when it comes to makeup products online. You do not need all of those products. Let's start with complexion. If you're a beginner, you want to start with something really easy to use that's not going to need a lot of blending time. Whether you have dry skin, oily skin, or acne skin, this foundation needs to be able to build up but not look cakey. I will always opt for the Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint. Oh my gosh, this is like serum on the skin. I am yet to find a skin type that it doesn't work on. Take a couple of drops in the palm of your hand, then take a brush. By the way, all of the brushes I'm using are from Shein. I will link them down below. Make sure the foundation is really stuck in the bristles of that brush, and then you want to put it into the areas you need it the most, usually in your T-zone, and then you can blend out from there. Do not forget your neck. If I see that white neck, I swear down, I am coming for you. Probably seen contouring around, right? You see people like doing the lines on their faces and making it really complicated, doing all sorts of trigonometry on their face. You do not need to do that. The Max Factor Golden Glow Bronzer has hyaluronic acid and squalene in it. All you need to know is that it's going to melt into your foundation like nothing else. Put it into the palm of your hand where you put your foundation and mix it into your foundation to get a really nice lighter contour color. Then you're going to apply it onto your face with a brush, add bronzer anywhere else in your face where you hit the sun naturally. The best tip I can give you is to do this before your concealer, because when you put your concealer on, it's going to mute down that bronzer. By the way, if you can't be bothered to put eyeshadow on, just add a bit of your bronzer onto your eyelid. I honestly do this all the time. If you're going to use blush on your face, please make it a cream or a liquid. It's going to blend out so much more easier. Sticking with the same brand, this is Max Factor. Feel free to copy the shade. It's so good on so many different skin tones. I'm yet to find someone that it doesn't look good on. It's a rosy mauvey blush, super affordable as well. Next is concealer. We need it to hide our dark circles because I don't know about you, but I need some more sleep at night. We also don't want it to crease throughout the day because I cannot be arsed touching it. I typed this into my brain and this is the concealer that came out. I tried this in my last video. If you haven't seen my makeup dupes video, I will link it on the screen. I was opened up to a new world. Less than a tenner. It's absolutely incredible. It's a serum, so it's really good for those sensitive under eyes, especially if you're dry. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a breakout on my chin and it's covered that. You heard it from me first. If you find that your makeup is looking patchy throughout the day, then you need a loose powder in your kit. This is the number 7 Flawless Finishing Loose Powder in Translucent. It blurs out the skin. It makes your makeup last all day. Apply it with a powder puff. Just tap off all of the excess of the powder before you apply it to the face, as it's gonna be like blotchy all over your face. Then apply it under your eyes and in your T-zone. The biggest compliment I get is at the end of the night and my friend goes, Amy, it literally looks like your makeup hasn't moved. This is why. I have a 2-in-1 brow pen here. It's a Build a Brow product from Maybelline. You have a gel on one side, which basically flicks up your brow hairs. And on the other side is a little pen, just like a felt tip pen. You're just gonna draw hair strokes throughout your brow. Any gaps you have, you can fill in with this. Next up, we have eyes, which I think personally is one of the most important parts of makeup. I want them to look pretty and natural. I use the Morphe Color Pencil. It's the perfect dark brown color. You can use any kohl pencil for this. Just try and get it into that lash line. You don't want to go to the waterline because it'll start bleeding throughout the day. And once you've got a line, then follow it round and do the bottom lashes. If you want to keep it natural looking, miss out the first third, then just want to blend it out, you can use your finger for this. So much mascara noise online. I don't know about you, but I feel like there's a mascara coming out every single week. What I will say is that drugstore mascaras have really risen over the last couple of years. This being one of them, it's the Sky High Maybelline Mascara. This is the color Burgundy Haze, which is a burgundy reddish brown color, which complements my blue eyes, but they do have other colors. Very good if you want lengthening and something that separates your lashes. For lips, we want something quite natural and wearable. This is the combo for you. This is Max Factor 005 Brown and Nude. I don't know why it's called Brown and Nude. It should just be called Nude. Not too warm, it's not too cool. Don't know what's in it, but it just seems to glide. I've just purchased a lip liner that's like triple this price that literally looks exactly the same. I have this gold dust that you're gonna put on your lips after. It's a lip gloss. Trust me, this is not sticky at all. It has a really lovely reflect to it. It smells and tastes amazing as well. It's like chocolate and vanilla together. I buy makeup in for my TV presenters at work and everyone has this. I will link all the products down below. If you're a beginner, let me know your questions questions down below and I'll make a video on it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.